Want a simple way to get paid again and again? Let me show you how to create a reusable Cash App QR code in seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Cash App's reusable QR code allows you to generate a single QR code linked to your cash tag. This makes it easy for anyone to scan and send you money repeatedly without needing a new payment request each time. It's perfect for small business owner, freelancer, or anyone who regularly receives payment. And here's how to create a reusable QR code. First, launch Cash App on your mobile device and log in. Then, tap your profile icon or the home screen where you can see your cash tag. Next, find and tap the QR code icon. It's usually located near your profile picture or in the main menu. And then, your personal reusable QR code will appear on the screen. This QR code is linked to your cash tag. And lastly, tap share or save images to save the QR code to your phone or you can send it through email, text, or social media. And lastly, you can print the QR code or display it digitally for easy payment. And here's how others use your QR code. Others can scan your QR code using the Cash App camera or any QR scanner app. Then they are taken directly to your Cash App payment screen. And lastly, they enter the amount and send money quickly without needing to search for your cash tag. And here's the steps for using your Cash App QR code. Always display your QR code in visible places like your store counter, event table, or on business card. And share your QR code on social media or invoices to make paying you easier. And always keep a digital copy on your phone for a quick sharing. Next, regularly update your Cash App to ensure QR code functionality works perfectly. And last, warn users to double-check the cash tag shown after scanning to avoid sending money to the wrong person. And here's the summary. Creating and using a reusable Cash App QR code is a convenient way to receive payments quickly and repeatedly. It's especially useful for small business owner or anyone who frequently receives payments, allowing smooth transaction without typing errors. And that's it. If this made getting paid easier, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.